Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a super helpful tutorial for you. Ever had that frustrating moment when your keyboard just decides to stop working in the Windows search bar? Well, we have all been there. But don't worry, I've got the fix for you. First things first, let's open up the run command. You can do this by pressing the Windows key and R key at the same time. Got it? Great. Now in the run command box, type in what you see on the screen. Hit OK and you'll find yourself in the System32 folder. Next up, scroll on down until you spot a file called ctfmon. Once you found it, right click on it, a menu pops up and what you are gonna do is click Send to. Then select Desktop Create Shortcut. Easy peasy, right? Now let's head back to the run command. Yep, you guessed it. Press Windows and R again. This time type in shell common space startup and click OK and you are in this startup folder. Now all that's left to do is to copy that ctfmon shortcut we made earlier from your desktop and paste it right into this folder. Alright, here comes the moment of truth. Restart your computer and hopefully when it boots back up, your keyboard should be back in action in the Windows search bar. If it worked for you, let us know down below in the comments. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tricks. Catch you in the next one.